So you're thinking about moving to Orange Beach, Alabama? Well, today we are in a fantastic location. We're at Phoenix VII. This is a brand new listing. One of our teammates, Ashley Bias, has this listing, and you're not going to believe some of the amenities that you get here. The location of this, first off, this condo is on a ground floor, and I'm going to show you something special about it whenever we get towards the first of the video. Stick around to the end. I've got some fantastic news about this condo that you're not going to want to miss. So let's get to it. Hey guys, if it's your first time to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and ring that little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to learn about what it's like to live in Orange Beach, to vacation here, to move here, to work here, play here, the whole 9 yards. My name is Andy Hollis, along with my partner Aileen Fountain and our entire team. We do videos just like this every single week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live at the beach. So whether it's 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking about making that move, don't hesitate to pick up that phone and give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. Set up a Zoom call, send up a smoke signal. We don't care. Get in touch with us any way you can. We would love to help you make a smooth move to our little slice of paradise. So as I mentioned today, we are in a pretty special location. We're in the heart of Orange Beach. We are right down from the turquoise, right before you go over the bridge to head to the Floribama. We're at Phoenix VII. These condos are unbelievable, and this one especially is unbelievable. I mean, you've got right here, this is a ground floor unit, and I know that doesn't sound appealing because of the view, but you'll see when we get to the balcony, it's a really good view. But the cool thing about this condo is that you can park right here. You can park right here and then just walk right into your condo. I mean, you don't have to go through the lobby. You don't have to worry about going up an elevator, dealing with everybody. You can just park there, walk right into the condo. So anyway, we're going to take you on a tour of this condo and show you everything that you get with it. The amenities are unbelievable, and we'll go over the price and everything towards the end. So let's go ahead and get started.
Got the truck pulled in the elevator line, just a short walk up and I'm feeling fine. 10-foot ceilings greet me at the door, tile floor shining, can't ask for more. Brand new kitchen with the shine so bright, granite tops glisten in the soft moonlight. Step-in shower, bedrooms made to rest. This Phoenix place is the Gulf Coast. I got keys to the coastline, sand in my shoes, balcony breeze and a Gulf Coast view. From the sunrise glow to the hot tub nights, this Orange Beach life just feels so right, yeah. 6 times 34 gets a slice of the sea. A southern dream, kinda where I wanna be. Hollywood chairs on the patio set, watching shrimp boats roll where the sun just met. Fresh paint on the walls, new doors swing wide, feels like heaven with the tide outside.
All right, guys, come on in. Welcome home to your new condo. So listen, when you first step into this condo, first off, it feels very inviting. And then you've got a first bedroom right off here to the right. So when you come in, this condo, believe it or not, is 2 bedroom, 2 bath. It's 1,064 square feet, but it sleeps 8 because you got 2 beds here, 2 full-size beds in here. You've also got a pull-out couch, which I'll show you in a minute. And then I think there's a king-size bed in the actual primary bedroom. So anyway, you got a nice TV here. You've got 2 different closets. That's an owner's closet here. So this would be where you could lock up all your personals. And then you've got a regular closet here for your guests, to come in. Pretty big closet there. Really nice bathroom in here.
Keys to the coastline, sand in my shoes, balcony breeze and a Gulf Coast view. From the sunrise glow to the hot tub nights, this Orange Beach life just feels so right, yeah. 6 times 34 gets a slice of the sea. A southern dream, kinda where I want good life's begun. Flip-flops on, worries long gone. It's Orange Beach home's where I belong.
And then let's go on out to the living room and I'll show you what it looks like out there. Got a nice little hallway here. And you've got, this is washer and dryer. There's a nice brand new stackable washer and dryer. They do have all new appliances here in this condo and granite countertops. So as you can see, the kitchen is a little small, but I mean, listen, you're at the beach. How much time are you going to spend in the kitchen? You might make some sandwiches here, take them out on the beach, but that's about it. But you've got all new appliances. You've got a brand new refrigerator. You've got a brand new stove. You've got a brand new dishwasher. The cabinets are really nice. You've got a nice sized pantry there. So anyway, I mean, again, how much time do you actually spend in the kitchen? So then when you come into the living room, you've got a nice little seating area here. You know, you bring the kids and you want to sit them down in here for lunch, coming in from the pool or the beach. Nice place to have it. Nice spacious living room, and check out that ceiling fan. It's a big old ceiling fan. And listen, the rare thing that you're going to see in this condo, where you don't see in a lot of the other condos, is the high ceilings. You don't get that in a lot of condos. A lot of them have the lower ceilings. They only have the 7 or 8 foot ceilings. And, you know, for somebody who's like me, 6'3", it's kind of hard to, you know, get in and out of those. Coming into the primary suite, when you come in, I mean, check out that view. So you got a nice, side glass doors there to go straight out onto the balcony. And then you've got a nice TV hanging on the wall there, king size bed. And then come on in, when you come around here, you've got a nice size closet here. And then also around here heading into the primary bathroom, you've got, this has all been updated. You've got granite countertops here. The only thing I would prefer is I would prefer double sinks, but you know, hey, that's just me. But you know, it does have, for all you ladies out there, it does have a nice little area for you to sit here and paint up your face. So, and then this bathroom, I'm gonna let you go check out the bathroom. The bathroom has been updated. It's a super, super, super nice bathroom. And then we'll go out and check out the whole reason that you buy one of these condos. Come on with me, we'll go check out outside. First off, as I mentioned, this living room, this couch does pull out into a sleeper sofa, so you can sleep 2 people there. So that's what I meant by sleeping 8. You can sleep 4 in the front bedroom, 2 in here, and then you've got 2 here, so it sleeps 8. Now that's what we're going to cover towards the end. I'm going to go over some rental numbers, so stick around to the end of this and I'll tell you what the rental potential is. So you got a nice seating area here. You've got a nice big TV there. Again, the ceiling fan is unbelievable. And then this is pretty impressive. Most of the time when you are in these condos, especially with all the salt air and everything, these doors really are hard to open and they stick. But check this out. You can't even hear that door open. Unbelievable. Nice little sitting area out here. And then you've got more storage over here on the left, you know, to keep all your floats and stuff of that nature. And then you've got a nice little sitting area right here. And just imagine sitting here in the morning, watching the boats come in through the pass, drinking your coffee. Cool little area. Really nice view. And then you're right here at the pool. So, you know, listen, if you happen to have kids and you buy this condo, then kids are at the pool, you can actually sit up here. Grandma and granddaddy can sit up here and watch kids at the pool and don't have to be in all that sunshine. So really, really, really good location. All right, guys, so that's going to about do it for our video here today at Phoenix 7. Listen, again, unbelievable location. You are in the heart of everything. I mean, you've got the pass right here where you can sit and watch boats come in and out. You've also got all the shopping right across the street, you know, at San Roque Cay Marina. You've also got Turquoise right down the road. You've got Coastal Restaurant right down the street. I mean, listen, this location's unbelievable. And hey, in a pinch, if you just had to, you technically, I guess, could walk to the Floribama. I wouldn't suggest it, but you could. But anyway, so listen, this complex, I told you to stick around at the end, I'd give you some numbers. So Ashley has this condo listed as 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,064 square feet. It sleeps 8. It is listed for $634,000. The HOA fees are $893 a month, but that includes your insurance and all the amenities. It has an indoor pool, an outdoor pool. You have hot tubs, a barbecue area. You have a fitness center. You have a lobby that is unbelievable. You have on-site management. I mean, everything you could ask for in a condo. This is an investor's dream if that's what you're looking for. Or it suits perfectly for a small family, you know, that you come here, escape to the beach. Kid, like I said, the pool is unbelievable for the kids. Don't miss out on it. I told you to stick around to the end. I'd tell you some numbers on this. The rental projections on this, the rental projections are about $65,000. Now listen, that's gonna depend on how much owner usage you have. You know, if you use it a lot, it's gonna be, of course, less on the numbers. But if you don't use it at all, those are pretty accurate numbers, I think, as far as the rental projections go. This is a pretty special condo, pretty special location. You don't want to miss out on it. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, ring that little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to learn about what it's like to actually live at the beach. So be sure and check out some of our other videos. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get footfalls and your shades that hit the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sunrise